Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
This is the story of Silas the lion and Milo the rat, brought to you by Excellence Junior School. In the great savannah, Silas the lion is resting. He is very tired, the sun is shining, and it is hot. Silas, the king of the animals, sleeps under an acacia tree. All is calm and silent around him. A small rat named Milo arrives. He is looking for seeds to eat and runs quickly through the grass. He is in a hurry and doesn't watch where he is going. Suddenly, Milo climbs onto the lion's snout. Silas wakes up suddenly and is very unhappy. He catches Milo with his big paw. "Who dares to wake me?" the lion growls. Milo trembles with fear, looking at Silas's large claws. "Please, Mr. Lion," Milo says in a tiny voice. "Forgive me, I am small, but if you let me go, I can help you one day." Milo hopes the lion will be kind. Silas starts laughing very loudly. "You? A tiny rat? Help me, the king of the savannah?" He finds this very funny. Silas thinks Milo is brave and decides not to eat the little rat. Silas lifts his paw and lets Milo go. "Go away, little rat," he says, smiling. Milo runs very fast away from the tree. "Thank you, Silas," Milo cries before disappearing into the bushes. He is safe. A few days later, hunters arrive in the savannah. They hide a large net in the forest to catch the lion. Silas is walking calmly when suddenly he falls into the men's trap. Silas is a prisoner. The ropes are very strong. He pulls with his teeth and pushes with his paws, but the net won't break. Silas begins to be afraid. He roars very loudly to ask for help. Milo hears Silas's roar. He recognizes his friend's voice. "That's Silas? He's in danger," Milo says. The rat runs toward the noise and sees the lion trapped in the hunter's net. Milo reaches the net. "Don't worry, Silas. I am here," the rat says. With his sharp little teeth, Milo starts to chew the rope. He works quickly. Crack. The first rope breaks. Silas looks at Milo and is very grateful. "You are right, Milo," the lion says. "A small rat can help a big lion. Thank you." They are now the best friends in the world. We often need someone smaller than ourselves.